Welcome! In today's session, we will explore the concept of transparency in AI, a crucial aspect of responsible machine learning. Transparency in AI refers to the openness and clarity with which AI systems operate, making it possible for users to understand how decisions are made. Ensuring transparency builds trust between AI systems and their users and helps prevent misuse or unintended consequences. Explanation and key aspects. Algorithmic transparency means the processes and logic used by the AI to reach decisions are clear and understandable. This involves documenting the model's design, data sources, and decision-making process. Data transparency involves making the data used to train AI models accessible and understandable. Users should know what data is being collected, how it's being used, and if their data is part of the training set. Model interpretability is about ensuring that AI decisions can be explained in a way that makes sense to humans. This includes providing reasons for decisions, such as why a loan application was approved or rejected. Real-world examples. In healthcare, transparency is vital. AI systems that diagnose diseases must provide clear explanations for their conclusions to help doctors make informed decisions. In the financial sector, AI systems used for credit scoring must explain their decisions to avoid unfairly denying loans to applicants. For instance, companies like FICO provide explainability modules to ensure transparency in their credit scoring systems. Chatbots and virtual assistants should disclose when users are interacting with an AI instead of a human, ensuring transparency and setting accurate expectations. Case study: IBM Watson OpenScale. IBM Watson OpenScale is an example of a platform that promotes transparency. It offers tools to monitor AI models and provide insights into their decision-making processes. The platform includes features like bias detection, accuracy checking, and performance monitoring. This helps businesses understand how their AI systems are working and make necessary adjustments. By using OpenScale, businesses can ensure their AI models are fair, accountable, and transparent, building trust with their customers. Now, let's talk about the challenges and solutions. Implementing AI transparency is not without its hurdles. However, with the right tools and strategies, these challenges can be effectively managed. Despite its importance, achieving transparency in AI can be challenging. Complex models like deep neural networks are often seen as black boxes due to their intricate operations. To address this, techniques such as model simplification, feature importance scoring, and the use of surrogate models can be employed to make complex models more interpretable. Regulatory frameworks like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe mandate certain transparency requirements, pushing organizations to adopt transparent AI practices. In conclusion, we've explored the multifaceted dimensions of transparency in AI. In summary, transparency in AI is about making the operations and decisions of AI systems clear and understandable to users. It involves algorithmic and data transparency, as well as model interpretability. Ensuring transparency is essential for building trust, promoting fairness, and preventing misuse. By adopting transparent practices, we can harness the full potential of AI while safeguarding ethical standards. Thank you for joining this session on transparency in AI. Stay tuned for more insights on responsible machine learning.